A very happy day to my dear students. I hope you all are fit, fine, and healthy. Children, I welcome you all to your online English classes for today. I, Angel Singh, will be teaching you English and a very important topic of English writing section, that is notice writing. So let's start with the introduction first. How do we communicate? There are many ways to communicate. One to one यानी कि सिर्फ दो लोग हैं जो एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं. One to many यानी कि there is one orator and he is introducing or he is speaking to many people at the same time. And one to many for a period of time यानी कि एक साथ एक ही इंसान ढेर सारे लोगों से एक ही समय में काफ़ी सारी बातें करता है. So these are the ways of communication. The question comes, what is a notice? It is a formal means of communication. Children, remember that it is a formal means. So your language needs to be formal. And what is its purpose? Why is it used? To announce or display information to a specific group of people. एक साथ एक ही इंफॉर्मेशन अगर ढेर सारे लोगों को देनी है, then we use notice writing. To be pinned up on specific display boards. We have many display boards in our classroom also, in our school also. Many public places or newspapers, they all are used to display the formal information. Alright, so this is the purpose of notice writing. Next, what are the important contents that are included in the notice writing? They are, firstly, name of the organization issuing the notice. Second, the title notice. ठीक है, सबसे पहले आप स्कूल का नेम लिखोगे, उसके नेक्स्ट लाइन में आप नोटिस लिखोगे NOTICE. दिस नीड्स टू बी इन कैपिटल लेटर. कैची हेडिंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस द सब्जेक्ट. अब कोई आपका नोटिस क्यों पढ़े, सो द हेडिंग शुड बी वेरी अट्रैक्टिव. देन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, द डेट ऑफ द नोटिस. नेक्स्ट, इट विल बी योर बॉडी ऑफ द नोटिस कि आप उसमें क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं. एंड टूवर्ड्स द एंड, द राइटर्स साइन, नेम इन कैपिटल्स एंड डेजिग्नेशन. जो आप हो उस समय आपको क्या बोला गया है. ठीक है, इन क्वेश्चन इट इज़ स्पेसिफाइड यू आर द सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द स्कूल और यू आर द हेड गर्ल और हेड बॉय ऑफ द स्कूल. सो दिस विल बी योर डेजिग्नेशन एंड ऑफ कोर्स योर नेम यू कैन राइट इट ऑन योर ओन और इट इज़ मेंशनड इन द क्वेश्चन. Then what are the important things while notice writing? Grammatically, what you need to keep in mind. Firstly, it should be in passive voice. Secondly, presented within a box. This is very, very important. Third, the word limit should be 40 to 50 words only. That means hardly within 3 to 4 lines your notice should be completed. I'm talking about the body. Then information must be clear and cut. Means in 1 or 2 lines only you should be able to inform whatever you want or whatever you want to announce. Then it should not cause any misunderstanding or confusion. Alright, this is as same as the before statement that the information should be clear. No misunderstandings, no confusions should be there. Then catchy, appealing and attract attention at once. Again, since it will be very short, so people read very short notices very carefully and it should be attractive. The language should be attractive. Means if you are announcing for participation in a dance competition, so you must be able to attract the participants, maximum of the participants. Then bold letters, catchy slogans, striking words or phrases can be used. No personal pronouns. Short but grammatically accurate sentences should be used while you write a notice. So this is very important. Now children, this is the format of the notice writing. First, you have to write the name of the institution or organization. In the next line, you will write notice. This is to be written in capital letters, all bold letters. Then your date. Date कैसे लिखेंगे? It is mentioned here. 1st October 2019. पहले date आएगा, फिर month and then year. Then heading, whatever for whatever. Maybe it is dance competition, annual day function, etc. Body, signature, name and designation. So this was the format. Now let's move forward with a sample question. On the occasion of National Science and Technology Day, the Delhi Public School, New Delhi has decided to organize a science fair. तो किसके लिए लिखना है आपने? साइंस फेयर के लिए लिखना है. किस ओकेजन में? नेशनल साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी डे के ओकेजन में. Vikram, now the name is given to you. The secretary of the Science Society, designation is given to you, wants to call a meeting of the office bearers of the society to discuss the arrangements for the fair. Write a notice in not more than 50 words. Word limit is to be kept in mind. So we have our name, we have our designation, and we know what the occasion is. So let's write the notice. Firstly, we know the organization. It is Delhi Public School, New Delhi. Then notice is to be written. Date is to be on your left hand side. By mistake, it is here in left hand side. Right hand side, it is to be in left. Heading, meeting of Science Society. On the occasion of National Science and Technology Day, the school has decided to organize a fair. All office bearers are requested to attend a meeting. ये बोल दिया. अब जो इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्चुअली में उन्हें देनी है, इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स, दे हैव रिटन इट इन बोल्ड एंड अंडरलाइंड इट ऑल्सो. इन द स्कूल लाइब्रेरी on 20th February 2014 at 10 a.m. So place, date and time is mentioned clearly, and the notice is very short, to discuss the arrangements of the fair. So this is how we can make our notice writing attractive. सिर्फ 2 lines में he has mentioned everything, that on the occasion of National Science and Technology Day, the school has decided to organize a fair and all office bearers are requested to attend a meeting. Alright, and then the signature of the writer, Vikram Singh, designation secretary science society. So children, you have to keep it in mind. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में ही नेम और डेजिग्नेशन मेंशन्ड है तो आपको वही लिखना है. Okay, so let's revise what we studied today. We started with the new topic, which is a very simple yet important topic in English writing, that is notice writing. It will be continued till your class 12th. Alright, we studied that notice can be written in a formal information. It is to be kept in a box. The word limit should not exceed to 40 to 40 words. Alright, it should be very short and informative. No misunderstandings or confusions should be created. Alright, the information which you want to provide should be clear and cut. And most importantly, you have to put it in the box. That is important. Then the another thing that is important is that you do not need to use the personal pronouns in that. Fine, it should, and the designation and the name, if they are provided you in the question, you have to use the same only. अगर नहीं प्रोवाइड किया गया है, then you can use your name. Otherwise, it is compulsory to use the name of the organization, name of the person and designation which is provided in the question itself. So I hope children you understood how to write a notice. Practice it at home again, and I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much. God bless you all.